Hello friends, my name is Garvika Modwell and today I am going to teach you how to make a home pastry. Okay, the bread is made of oats. Okay, the jam is made of fruits. The chocolate spread is made of hazelnuts. The jams are made of chocolate. The cereals are made of ragi, and the chocolate bread is made of chocolate. It is a little bit liquid. Okay, first you have to. Okay, friends. First you have to spread the chocolate. Okay. Now we have done spreading the chocolate. Okay. Now we need to spread the jam with the knife. Good. There's the knife. We need to spread the jam. Okay. Okay. Now it is done spreading the jam. Now let's add some. Okay. Now let's and easy now. Good. Now let's put the jams. Spread. So colorful jams. Oopsie, it's my favorite song. Colorful. Now, only this jam, okay? Only this one. Now. Okay. Now let's use these. They are Cruncha Mancha. This is my favorite cereal, Cruncha Mancha. We add on the milk. Yummy. It's looking yummy, huh? Look, now it is made. Now this is a home pastry. We can add a candle. Okay, my mama can bring the candle. Okay, oopsie, my camera's dark. Phew, that's phew. Lumpa. Okay. Mama, switch on. Okay. Now, be very careful with the fire, kids. The fire is very hot. Easy. Wow. Look. It's so good. It's just like our birthday. You can make in your birthday this cake. Okay? It's very yummy, tummy. And one day I made this for my mother. So you can make this for your mother too. Bye. Subscribe to my video. Bye bye.